Whole lot of gay shit.
We should turn it on, dude. Here?
Here we go. Starting up nonsense. This is what we like to do.
No. Hit the trigger, go.
Be careful. Be careful, cuz.
You can pedal if you want for the extra torque.
I feel like this bike is big, but like, I feel like it's small for me. Oh, that bitch move.
He's out that bitch move. He's an idiot, bro.
He ain't at full speed.
No, not even close. He's not even pedaling.
You don't need to.
That's crazy.
Why do you think why do you think my legs still look small?
I was wondering that. That makes sense now.
The brakes up. It's okay. It's okay. You got to predict turns. That's it. You got to slow down. Let go of the gas. That's how I turn. I don't hit the brakes when I turn. Silent as a motherfucker.
That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, that bitch is quiet.
It
like
sound like the bike.
It sound like a fart. That's crazy. Yeah, that's hilarious.